What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna get straight to the point here. I'm just gonna talk about why I think that I feel like personally the Civic Si is a way better car than the WRX, especially the newer one, because to me this car handles way better, especially stock versus stock. Now I understand the WRX has all-wheel drive, symmetrical apparently. You know, it has all you know, oh, Subaru rally racing, this and that, but Honda's made for racing, man. Come on. The Si, the Type R, they're known to be, you know, race cars. You know, race cars. Oh yeah. Anyways, my little rant. I hope you know that the Si around corners, like let's say I don't know, maybe a nice toge chase around like nice short roads, twisty roads, Si is gonna win all day. It's just it's a lighter car, has a LSD in the front. You know, if you get a good set of wheel and tire, oh my god, you're good for days. Like, to be honest with you, I've taken maybe corners at like 120 kilometers, wink wink, in the United States version. Yeah, not miles an hour, definitely not miles an hour. You know, that's obviously I can't do that in the game, so, but yeah. And I feel like it's a way better daily driver than the WRX itself. Obviously the tuning capabilities is better with the WRX, but with the Si, it's very easy to make it into a track weapon. Now obviously straight line speed, the WRX will win, but around the track the WRX will win. I mean, so oh my god, I can't talk today. The Si will win all the time. I forgot to mention the 11th gen gets Type R components from the previous generation Type R. So, and the SIs and Type Rs only come in manual from the factory. They don't come in automatic like the CVT and the WRX. Like, Subaru is stupid. Why are they making a CVT for a WRX? They know most of their buyers are gonna buy manual. To me, I think Subaru has lost their passion in just performance cars. Oh my god, and oh yeah, I forgot to mention the WRX I've seen on the road maybe 100 times a day, and I've probably seen one Si, one Type R maybe every month here. Like, just the rarity of the vehicle itself, like the Si and the Type R, they're unmatched. Like, they're so rare to see on the streets. WRX, I see it like a commuter car. Si, it's a different story. Maybe because dealerships aren't getting them as much as the WRX is, but to me, I mean, it's not just to me, it's to every other freaking car enthusiast. The WRX, it's on the road every day, you know. Everyone drives it. Old guys, old grandmas. I've seen grandmas in an STI. Not to be like, you know, judgmental or not, but I don't get me wrong, that's pretty cool, but I feel like everyone drives these cars. those cars, not the SI. And brakes are amazing. I'm at 35k miles so far, and stock brake pads, stock rotors, stock everything. They've been handling so well. The only issues I've encountered so far with like maintenance and stuff is obviously the stock tires, no good. You swap them out for a what's it called? A good summer tire, like I have the PS4S's on here. Oh my god, night and day. Mine is a little wider as well. Mine is a 245 ZR18. On the stock tire from factory from Honda, they come 235s. So it's just a little wider car. I mean, not car, tire. Oh, man. And the noises, they're so fun. They're so fun in this car. Subaru is just a generic freaking boxer sound. But let me tell you, Honda knew what they were doing when they, were designing this car. The 10th gen and 11th gen, they feel completely different. Would I prefer this over a WRX, a new generation WRX? Yes, I would. Definitely, I would. Now, STI, on the other hand, you've seen the red STI on this channel. I haven't driven that car in such a long time, so maybe in an upcoming video I'll be doing that just to compare. Now, I don't know if that's a cop or not, so I'm just going to take it easy. I don't think it's a cop. Hopefully not. Oh my god, what do you guys think that is? Okay, no, I don't think he's a cop. Also, let me know your opinion. Would you guys want, do you think having an unmarked cop car, like a Ford Explorer or like a Ford Taurus or anything, you think it should be illegal for civilian purchase, or should they make it illegal in all 50 states? Let me know down in the comments, because that's a big controversial question. Don't get me wrong, I hate when people do that. They're like, oh my god, is that a cop? Is that a cop? And most of the time I pass by and, oh, it's a civilian driving a fucking unmarked cop car. And it's so annoying because, everyone freaking goes like 20 miles an hour all of a sudden. So, yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I don't know if you've seen the review by Car and Driver. They're a big popular car magazine producer. They said that the 11th generation SI and the Type R, they're the Japanese versions of Porsche cars. Now that's a big compliment in terms of performance, because the one thing I have to say is, now I get it, the Porsche conversation with Honda, that's questionable. But one thing I have to say in regards to what feels very similar is the stock shifters on the SIs and Type Rs, they're great. They're oh my god, they're so mechanical. It's like the, I don't know if you guys saw my video when I sat in the GT4 and I played around with the stick. Oh, don't say that again, that's pretty sus. But oh my god, that thing is like a bolt action rifle. This is like a, maybe, I don't know, less mechanical version of that, but they feel so good. They feel so good. It's been 35,000 miles, and the shifter is so handling abuse so well. You know how I like to abuse my cars. So yeah. By the way, he has a hoodie just to keep him nice and cool during the summer months. Oh, let's take a look. Yeah, I'm definitely not planning to do any exhaust modification on this car because it'll be extremely loud, especially in the neighborhood I live in. So yeah, it's very easy to make these cars obnoxious, WRX and SIs. Getting some slippage, and it just pulls when it hooks. It really does. Thanks to that limited slip differential that the SI itself and the Type R share, these pull around corners so well. And it has, I just turned on the lane adjustment so it can steer for me. Yeah, this car is the complete package, let me tell you. Yeah, it's a great car. Great car. Very much prefer this over a WRX. Now, one thing I do have to complain about is during the summer months, this car is very susceptible to heat soak. So, you know, down the road, definitely make sure to maybe get a PRL performance intercooler upgrade. It'll definitely help with that, especially if you're going to track your car on summer months. That was almost bad. Jesus Christ. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that short video. I just wanted to pump one out because it's been quite a while since I released a video. I just need more ideas for videos, so if you guys have any you know, questions or ideas, let me know in the comments. Other than that, hope you guys stay safe, drive safe, obey the laws, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.